Hello everyone. Today we see how Java software can be installed and how we can run our first Java program. Firstly, open any browser with Google search engine in which type JDK8 download. Look at the result and just click on a first link of Oracle. Here we can see there are many versions of JDK available, but we download 8U181. Before downloading that, we must accept Oracle license. And depend upon our system architecture, we may download 64-bit or 32-bit JDK software. I just download 64-bit. I already download 64-bit Java software in my computer, so I just double click to install. So here we show welcome screen. Click on next. Here specify the download location. We may change JDK download location. Click on next. After JDK install, it will install JRE on our computer for running our Java program. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment in which we can run our Java program. Here we also change our JRE location, but we click on next. After completion of installation, click on a close button. Now we open command prompt from search box. In which we just simply type Java C command and hit enter. So it will give some internal or external command not recognize error. But when we type Java, it will give some instruction. It means our JDK path is not set, but our JRE path is set. So now we set our JDK path. For that, we minimize screen or we may close. Then open this PC and click C, program file, Java, JDK, bin, and copy entire address. Then close, and again this PC, click right, property, advanced system setting, environment variable, in which we find system variable path. Here we type, click on edit, new, and paste it. Okay, 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 and close. Again, we type command prompt and hit javac command. So it will give some instruction. So our JDK is completely installed in our computer. We try to write one single program. Now let's create Hello World Java program. For that we need Notepad or Notepad++. We use Notepad++ IDE for write our Java program. You can freely download from Google and it's available in our description. We just double click on Notepad++ and click on a new tab and select language Java. Here we simply start with class name as a hello world and open and close curly brackets. Main method like C Here the syntax of main method in Java is kindly different. Later on we discuss about syntax of main method. Now print message, we just simply type system dot out dot println method and type some message like hello world in double quote, and after that I copy my class name and save in desktop. Save file with same name and just I minimize that and open my command prompt and move to desktop. Type javac and my file name helloworld.java. We make sure about our file extension .java. After successfully completion, it will generate class file of same file name with extension .class. Now our compilation is over. Then we run by using Java command and simply type class name. We not use any extension with Java command. If our program successfully compile and run like this, then it give us hello world as an output. So that's all for today lecture. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like, share